Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you 5 ways using tables in Excel makes your data analysis faster and smarter than ever. First, tables automatically adjust to include new data. To create a table, select your data, click Table on the Insert tab, check the My Table has Headers box, and click OK. Now, as you add new rows, the table will auto-expand like gossip in a small town. Second, tables automatically apply formulas to the entire column, so you only need to enter the formula once. Click on an empty cell in a new column, type in a formula, press enter, and Excel takes care of the rest, copying the formula down like a well-trained parrot mimicking its owner. Third, you can add a total row for quick data analysis. This lets you instantly calculate totals, averages, and more for each column. Click anywhere in the table, go to the Table Design tab and check the Total Row box. Voila! You now have a total row and now know what it feels like to be a mathematical genius. Fourth, use slicers to easily filter data to select and display only the data you want to see. Click anywhere in the table, go to the Insert tab and click Slicer, then select the columns you want to filter by and click OK. Now you can filter your data just like your liver filters out your decisions after a night out. Fifth, create dynamic charts that update automatically as you add data. Select the columns you want to visualize, click Recommended Charts on the Insert tab, choose a chart, and click OK. Utilizing dynamic charts in Excel eliminates the need for manual updates. So now, when someone asks if you've updated the data, you can say, yes, I excel at it. There you have it, folks. Give these 5 features a try, and you'll become a spreadsheet maestro in no time. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.